Wow! The garden is huge!
I'm happy you're here.
I want to help today.
A gardener needs a hat.
Now I'm ready. Everything looks amazing.
Plants need water and sunshine.
I'm helping the garden.
Flowers need care too.
The tomatoes looked ripe.
I picked one.
Good job, Tom.
The basket is filling up.
Pull gently.
Look at this carrot.
The carrots were ready.
It's getting heavy.
These cucumbers are perfect.
It's so big.
Fresh lettuce tastes wonderful.
I'll put them in the basket.
The garden was colorful.
I'm helping a lot today.
We have a great harvest.
Hello, gardeners.
I harvested these.
Oh. You worked very hard.
Vegetables help us grow strong.
Now they're clean.
Let's organize everything.
Thank you for helping.
The day was wonderful.
This is my favorite.
Look at all this food.
The day was ending. Working together made the harvest special.